following website has been designed for IT Tech Solutions. The website is to promote human resource management and to provide advice on how to be more proficient with the HR department. Strategies included on this website have been provided to enhance the factors of how a business operates, such as the internal and external environment. On this page, you'll find ways the business can be more harmonious with their internal factors by remodeling components such as staff morale, staff policy, management structure, wages, and the operations of the business. Management structure is a highly suggested area that is recommended to adhere to, as the CEO of the Southport Sharks, Dean Bertel, has been interviewed on what form is followed at this nationally recognised club, displaying the strength and ability to withstand an organisation during its toughest of times. Hi, I am Nathan Bertel and I'm here to ask the current CEO of the Southport Sharks about his design and reasons for his organisational structure. Staff policy has also been carefully analysed, as the survey was constructed by interviewing multiple businesses and identifying which staff policies they prefer to abide by. The external environment webpage has provided the most significant fundamentals which a company can refine in order to make sure the business is at its pinnacle. Said factors examined on the webpage include workplace attitude, development in technology, and legislation law. A notable section is the workplace attitude, as a general definition and recommendations have been supplied, but also a survey has been conveyed in order to help the business understand staff needs. The recruitment page has provided a step-by-step guide of how an organisation should and will adhere to when dealing with employees and their processes. To support this, the homepage has a video of how IT Tech Solutions have dealt with a troubling employee. It is recommended other companies follow a similar approach.
Mr. Wally, welcome to the meeting. I'm Mr. Canavan, the Human Resources Manager here at IT Tech Solutions, and I'm here to discuss with your employer how to resolve our staffing conflicts with you.
Mr. Wiley, we've had multiple reports that include arriving to work consistently late, poor concentration and errors present in work, swearing continuously whilst working, leaving early, taking on extended lunch breaks, and arguing with senior management regarding pay and conditions.
It is our best belief that the best way to deal with a problem is to see the issue from the other person's point of view, which is why we would like to ask you about a couple of questions about whether or not you are satisfied with your job position here. Are you?
I guess.
Well, let's start with that. How do you feel working here?
My job is fine, and so is my pay, but I feel as if I'm not heading in any direction. And due to my heavy workload, I don't have much time for a social life, which is why I have troubles concentrating.
Are you involved in any teamwork?
No, there isn't any teamwork.
Why don't you use it? It will free up more time for a social life for outside of work.
The communication can sometimes be difficult, but I suppose I could try. The way everyone has been rostered on has made it mentally demanding, as the rostering has been poorly constructed.
Do the employees rotate their duties by rostering well?
Personally, I think they could be better, which is why I do agree with Mr. Wiley. Perhaps we could collaborate with the employees to find their ideal days they wish to work.
Sounds safe. Are you comfortable and happy with your job design, Mr. Wiley?
I'm not confident with our comfortability. I feel that our hardware that we work with is outdated, and the staff require a more updated version of our computers. It will help with the business internally. Staff will get their work done faster. Externally, our customers will be more satisfied with the quality and speed of our service.
We will look into that.
What about your job design?
My job design is fine, but if I could somehow shift my workload around and work in a team, I would like to aim for a possible role in management.
Well, we don't know about a position straight away, but we could organise an annual performance appraisal to be conducted once every 3 months. Then from there, we could start to then consider you for the position in management.
We're currently in a process with all our employees that is basically counselling and advice, and we want to put you back in the process where you are training and developing new skills. Otherwise, it may lead to an exit interview, which is not our desired goal.
Okay.
Well, that is all for today, Mr. Wiley. We hope to see an improvement in your work here. We will have the performance check-up in 3 weeks' time to see where you stand with us here at IT Tech Solutions.